Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how you can transform your day look into a night look or a casual look into a more glam look. I'm gonna try my best to do that. Throughout this video, I will be using these brand new DewiChic lip tint from WonderDewi. Without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, I'm going to start with something simple. This is what I would wear if I would have to go out grocery shopping, you know, quickly go out to the post office, doing just daily chores, but you still want to look presentable, you know. So this is the things that I will do. It's very simple, but it makes a difference. First of all, I will do my brows. I feel like when you do your brows, it makes all the difference in the world. After I'm done with my brows, I gotta fix this complexion, but I don't always have time to put on foundation. I will just use a concealer to conceal the areas that need a little bit more concealing. A little bit on the under eyes to remove the dark circles. And then just set with powder a little bit. And then I will add on some blusher. I love putting on blusher because it makes my face look much more fresh and awake with doing so little. Here I'm using a cream blush because I think it looks more natural. See, it looks much better now. Now all I do is just put on lip color of my choice. So this time I'm gonna use this DewiChic lip tint in code Feeling Shy. What's good about this lip tint is that the color is buildable. So if you want a more subtle looking lips, then apply a little and just blend it all over your lips. If you want the color to be a little bit more intense, just apply more. And now I'm ready to go out the door. If you want something a little bit more red, we can try this one called Feeling Loved. Like that! Minimal makeup with bright lips. Now this is what I do when I want to go out on a lunch date, going out with friends, or just simply going to the mall. With occasions like this, I usually take a little bit more time to do my makeup, so this time I will add on the foundation. Usually when I want to be quick when putting on foundation, I just go for a cushion. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeshadow. I usually will put on a regular matte brown shade and just apply it all over my eyelids. And then do the same to the lower lash line. And then apply some mascara. For this look, I usually add a little bit of contour as well. I'm just gonna add on a little bit more powder blusher to just blend that contour in a little. Add a little bit of highlight. Of course, no makeup look is truly complete without lipstick. So I'm gonna try on two different options of lip color for this look here. First, I'm gonna try Feeling Calm. It's a nice berry color. I'm gonna try something bolder with Feeling Hot, which also goes really well with this look. That's how I do a moderate daytime, day out kind of makeup. Now I'm gonna put on full on glam for the ultimate nighttime look. For the full on glam look, you don't have to remove anything. We just add on a little bit more. I'm gonna take a shimmery eyeshadow and apply it on my eyelids. After that, I'm also gonna add on a little bit of eyeliner. On top of that, usually on a full glam kind of look, I will definitely put on falsies, so I'm gonna be doing that. Such a huge difference when you put on falsies. I love it. Now lastly, for the lips, I will be using this DewiChic lip tint in Feeling Cool. That's how I transform a daytime look into a nighttime look. And I used all 5 colors of the DewiChic lip tint by WonderDewi. They are brand new. What I love about them is that they blend really easily on the lips and they have a matte finishing, which is something that I prefer in my lipsticks. They are also comfortable on my lips and pretty moisturizing, to be honest. They come in 5 different colors. You can wear them lightly and have a more natural look, or you can even intensify the colors to get a stronger, bolder look. Details on this are all in the description box below if you're interested, so don't forget to check it out. Let me know which color is your favorite and comment down below.
Hey there, Aisha here. Just wanted to let you know that there's a giveaway going on and you will stand a chance to win yourself the DewiChic Lip Tint Mood Collection, just like the ones I wore in this video. Details on how to enter is in the description box below, so check that out, okay? That's all, bye!
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. As usual, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, as always, click the subscribe button below. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye-bye!